So, how you guys doing? So, we're going to be going to an underwater sightseeing today, and it's very freezing. It's I'm not quite sure what the degree is just now. So, follow me and experience this journey with me. Alright, let's go.
Let's do the video.
Are you ready to experience this?
Oh,
Yeah, it's
that's
freezing.
how we roll.
It's freezing now, yeah. So all work and no play make Jack a dull boys, but we're not dull, so we just want to go. We just want to go experience and enjoy ourselves a bit, yeah. So follow us, guys. Let's see, this journey is going to be interesting. So we just left now. Say hi to the camera.
Hello.
Say hi to the camera.
We're on a way.
Yeah, our bus drivers.
Hello.
Okay.
See, my dad will always laugh at me.
Oh.
Maybe after half an hour you'll find more nice views.
Yeah. It's beautiful.
Yeah,
You know,
Scotland
I
is
know
beautiful.
I wouldn't know where I had because I
No,
can't
but-
to come off here, going there. So we can do here, start live. So yeah, we get better.
So at this point, everything was going great and the conversation was going. Then gradually we start slowing down because of the dew, and we couldn't. And our wiper wasn't working, so we had to stop for a while. Then I saw this beautiful cottage just bringing us smoke. So I said, okay, let me take a video of it. Then we hit back the road again of the journey, and that guy's already sleeping there already.
This is the fake Scottish sunlight.
Very fake.
That only comes out for only 30 minutes or 2 hours in a day.
You can imagine.
It's gone now.
Just us acting there, myself and it. Okay, we just alighted, just wanted to get fuel. Petrol on. Don't pass 20 pounds. Is it pretty? So we just got here after like 3-4 hours drive, and the guys are already tired, trying to warm up their legs and everything.
Wahala, guys, wahala.
Oh, good. So we're gonna be seeing different sightseeing places, and come along. I will show you the places.
Oh, I'm trying to kill him, baby. Oh, you're for well. So where will they go like this?
There is no access to go there.
No, not yet.
That is.
No, wait.
Get busy.
Now, we're going to have loads of adventures today, and for our first adventure, we're going to jump into the giant shark smell. So come on in. We'll take a wee seat just in the middle of the bench, please. That's perfect. See, like, we take 2 flash photos. First one's a big smiley one. We'll get you in as well.
Find it nice. Turtle is getting fed in about 15 minutes, just through the first section and then to your right. Okay, any questions?
So we entered into the center, and it was all breathtaking. We saw different kind of fish. I couldn't even pronounce some, and I started looking around. It was very, very beautiful, breathtaking. We saw some goldfish, orange kind of fish. This fish was so beautiful. And we saw some other beautiful ones too. So this was a different kind of fish. I was like, guys, come see. Come see. This is, I really don't know what special fish this is, but I told them to come see, and everybody started rushing around. They were so big and so fine. I I didn't want to leave. I was just like, can I take some home with me? My guys was like, no, you can't. So beautiful, so beautiful. And we had to see some other ones there. Beautiful ones. This one too was a different kind of species. I really can't tell the name because it was written in a different name. But it was really, really beautiful. The aquarium was really, really beautiful. It was well made. I was like, there was a drop, but underneath it wasn't. I don't know how they did it, but that part was different. So we saw this. Fish.
No, I think this one
all
is not real.
dormant.
It's real. Why is it sleeping?
Sleeping kind of fish. We're like, are they real or something? But all of them were really dormant. So I don't know why.
They are camouflage master. They are camouflaging. They say they are predators, so they are.
It's a big one, no?
Or is it a magnifying glass?
Yeah, magnifying.
It's magnifying it. Oh, this spearfish.
Okay, let's go more forward.
Michael.
Let's go. So, continue your aquarium journey.
No, we go. Let's go this way first. Give me a shot here. I'll do a video. Do a video there, a shot. This is nice. A nice video. And later do the shots.
So this is me.
Is there anybody want to let me the shots? Video is okay, that's not the video. That's okay. Let's do the picture now.
Nice.
Ben, look at that. Is everyone's bag with you?
No, I only have my bag.
Okay.
The bigger fish are eating big tiger prawns and squid. Like to be taking the food from the bottom. Now, our turtle April cannot dive.
See this fish?
Hello.
Take this fish. Take them. Look at this.
White.
Man, you're gonna send out video to me.
What you have anywhere near a sea turtle's mouth. Now, April is an olive ridley turtle, the second smallest species. You probably noticed she's missing a front flipper. Unfortunately, she got stuck in netting earlier. She was then found. Her favourite food is squid, and she gets fed twice a day. Now, April's been here at Sea Life Loch Lomond for 4.25 years. 4.25 years. So, quite a long time. Nearly half her life. Now, if you do have any questions here this afternoon, my name's Victoria. I'll be only too pleased to have a chat with you. Because the rock pools are very busy, so I'm going back to the rock pools now. So,
They're coming with me. Look at that. smile, smile. It's a Russian fish. Pink. Pink. Hello, buddy.
What's it feeling like?
It's sort of bumpy and hollow all at the same time, doesn't it?
And you try to bring it up.
No, not to bring it
No, we
up.
don't move them, but touching them is.
Red lionfish.
Fish plenty.
Ben,
Yes.
have you seen something?
Yeah.
What is
My phone was serious.
But they're baby sharks. That's it.
baby shark?
Now, big shark don't break this in like or bite somebody. Even this baby shark says you bite.
Of course now.
See baby.
This is the hammer shark. Ray fish.
I like
Stingray.
the job this fish.
Stingray. That's a big keep person. Guess sting.
Look at the stingray's eye.
So it's beautiful out there. So we came up to the roof and we're seeing some places. It's beautiful. Sun just in my eyes just now. I got my guys. They are excited too.
Go here, go here. So
Okay.
It's gonna be more nice. Thank you. I can't see.
I know the sun.
Yeah, that's good. Bye.
So we had an exciting time, exciting fun in the aquarium underwater life, and it was really beautiful. So we went to this Prey of Birds center, but it was a different place from the other side. So we had to pay, but we couldn't. So we just had to go back. And we were on our way home. The car was really dirty, so we had to do some washing.
Say that kind, if I only go see that kind after 12 never come because.
I won't open the Ben's window. I will open your window. I will open your window.
So if you like and enjoy this trip with us, I want you to subscribe to my channel so that we could bring you more updates, like and share. Thank you.